Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I am looking at another brick build car that I have been able to find locally. This is a Mould King mini car. It's basically a Lego Speed Champion scaled vehicle that you can build. There are multiple ways to build this, 399 pieces. And it's got 27048, just like Lego. I don't know how many models they've got for this, but I have seen some online. So it's a Mustang, a 1967, it says. Don't know why 1967, because this actually looks a lot more recent than that. But here are some of the other models we have available. I've got a ACR, I think, as a different model available to build as well. And I bought two of these, and I'll explain why. Here's the other car. Pictures back of it, so 7.9 centimeters long, wide, 4.8 centimeters tall, and 15.9 centimeters long. You can build it with multiple ways. The way they're showing here is with a large blower on the bonnet and the body kit. I don't know about a 67 Mustang. It looks a lot more recent than that. But I have actually built it. So this particular pack is empty. This is the actual build. It does come in its own case, and I've actually built it with, I guess there's a modern kit on top of a 67. So let's take the cover off. Now, before I actually get rid of the cover, you see studs on the corners here. You can mount these on top of each other. So as far as displaying them, displayable by stacking them. And I've gone for a straight car look, no stickers. I think that actually was the better way of doing it. And if you look carefully inside, you can actually see, let's take the windscreen off to get to it, the bonnet blower part there is what would sit in here coming out a lot lower, but I'll show that in a moment. Inside we have the handbrake. I'm guessing that's meant to be a handbrake. And I've gone for a right-hand drive. There are no actual proper seats in this, but you probably could get away with putting a Lego figure in there. I'm not going to, but I will keep this part in here for now as a secure way of keeping it together until I'm ready to display this and potentially incorporate those in with other pieces I have. Now, I've also, let's see if we can get this to come off. I think it's front and rear. Yeah, there we go. Extra studs and parts that I had left over. There's a couple of runners here to allow it to sit on the base. I've gone for side pipes actually being at the rear of the doors rather than what was on the box for the one with the blower shows them at the front. I decided to make this a car version, and on the back got our spoiler up there. Number plate is on the back. It was actually a pretty good build. I didn't mind it. Now we have a bonnet that comes up and off. I can't remember. It's been a little while since I built this. I think it does. Okay. Not very well. No. Okay. So the engine... Oh, yeah, that's right. Let's get it all out there. The engine part did fit in solidly, like so. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, maybe it was that piece comes off, does it? Oh, I put in some extra pieces, that's probably why. Oh no, there we go, it squeezes in. There we go. Alright, so if you are running the bonnet scoop, it fits in like about so. Actually quite easy to do. Except when you push it wrong. And this will require me to modify this. I need a separator. My fingernails are not going to do the job. No, there we go. Like so, and that will slot in under there. squeeze it down on top. So you can run it with a blower poking out the front. So I've got 2 of these, as I said. These were actually purchased at my local auto store, Auto Barn, it's called. They were actually on sale quite cheap, and I was like, yeah, well, I deserve to get 2 of those, I believe. I will show off the other version that I have later when I actually build it too. And these will end up on display with all my Speed Champions, of which I have quite a number to of backlog to build. So let's pop that back in there for now. This white piece can stay aside, and I'll put that blower back inside. So I'll have one with the blower and all the stickers exactly as it is on the box, and one different. Thank you very much for watching. Short video. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers. Bye.